Hello, welcome on today's DIY tutorial on how to make natural hair growth and darken hair spray at home with 100% natural ingredients. All these ingredients are the common ingredients you can get from the kitchen at comfort of your home. If you want to learn how to grow your hair or your children's hair naturally, do well to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The first ingredient here is cloves, followed by cinnamon. I have with me onions, red onions, then dry rosemary leaves, herbal tea. I make use of green and black tea, then clean water and mixing bowl. The first ingredient goes into my mixing bowl is rosemary. 2 spoons of rosemary. 2 spoonfuls of rosemary. Rosemary can promote hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalps and stimulate hair follicles. It can also help with dandruff, itches, and dryness. Rosemary works perfectly on all hair types. The next ingredient is cloves. Clove has an antioxidant that helps prevent hair loss and premature graying. That is, it darkens hair naturally. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp. The next is cinnamon. Cinnamon water promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss and also darkens hair naturally. And onion peels. I make use of red onion peels. Onion peels can benefit hair growth for black hair due to the high sulfur content, which is a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up hair promoting thicker, darker, and stronger hair by nourishing hair follicles and stimulating new hair growth. Herbal tea. I used green and black herbal tea. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and it also helps hair growth and darken hair naturally without any side effects. Then I added my clean water, 300 ml of clean water. I added it and stir everything together. The next thing is to on your heat source and place it on top of the heat source to heat it up for 10 to 15 minutes. Boil on a low heat to allow a gentler extraction of the beneficial compounds from the herbs. Low heat will also preserve delicate nutrients that might be destroyed by high heat. 5 minutes after boiling, you can see that the water has begun to change. You allow it to boil for 15 minutes. After boiling, leave it and allow it to settle down for another 24 hours in order to get all the nutrients intact. This is exactly after 15 minutes. I will cover it and set it aside and come back after 24 hours. 24 hours after, this is how it looks like. The water has become more darker and we have all the nutrients intact. Now let's extract all the water from the herbs by sieving it You can use your sieve or your strainer to sieve it from the herbs. Here is my sieve. Make sure you stir it together very well before you sieve it. Sieve it and extract all the water from the herbs. Then get a sprayer and a bottle. Any bottle of your choice and a sprayer. Cover your bottle tight and keep it in a cool, safe place. Use it within 2-3 weeks before making another one. Spray your hair 3 times in a week. Spray and allow it to dry on your hair. Wash before spraying another one. In order to get the best results, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to my return subscriber, thank you and God bless you. Turn on your notification bell. You'll be notified when I drop the next video. You have learned something in today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.